You might have heard about it many times, still you do not understand the law of attraction, how it works, and whether it works. You will be surprised to know that the law of attraction affects your life in many ways, and the good news is that once you understand how to use it, you can surely do wonders in your life. But if you don't know, then don't worry. We will explore all these questions in today's video, so make sure to stay till last. Welcome to Wisdomosity. Hit the subscribe button before diving into the depth of knowledge. Let's start. The law of attraction is not a unique concept. The first person to use this term was Buddha. He said, "All we are is the result of what we have thought." So what is the law of attraction? And what is the science behind it? You have heard many times what goes around comes around. Whenever you focus on positive things, positive vibes and energy is created, and in return, you automatically attract positive things. In simple words, positive thoughts bring positive results to your life, negative thoughts do the same. And whatever you imagine or visualize becomes a reality. Did you know that every thought, every action impacts your life, and you create your future with it? You can fulfill your desires with the power of your thoughts. Does it seem attractive to you? But it is not fiction, and even science has proved it. That is why it is essential to understand how the law of attraction works so that you use it to change your life and create a better and fantastic future. Let's get deeper into it. Various scientific studies have backed the law of attraction and proved that it is not just a theory, it works. In other words, when others display any behavior in front of you, you tend to reciprocate that same behavior. It is possible because the brain mirrors the response. For example, suppose you are happy, enthusiastic, or sad. In that case, people around you observe and usually mirror the behavior back in the same way. This is known as change or intermingling of energy, and in science, it happens due to mirror neurons. Secondly, science proves that your future outcomes are created through visualization. In other words, if you imagine what you desire, the brain responds with attention and greater interest. Mental imagery boosts our motivation to act and accomplish goals. Now, let's move to the next part of the video. How does the law of attraction work? Since every action has an equal reaction. In the same way, if we overfocus on negative things, negative experiences will come our way. If we seek positive aspects of our life, our well-being will focus more on finding good experiences and opportunities. Positive thinking is the backbone of the law of attraction. Mahatma Gandhi best describes the power of positive thinking. Keep your thoughts positive because your thoughts become your words. Keep your words positive because your words become your behavior. Keep your behavior positive because your behavior becomes your habits. Keep your habits positive because your habits become your values. Keep your values positive because your values become your destiny. This law is all about shaping the future by focusing on set goals. We will succeed in our careers if we remain unwavering in our desires. Moreover, people around you also impact your decisions and actions. For example, suppose you remain in harmony and stay with kind people. In that case, it is more likely that you will manifest polite behavior. In the same way, if you offer a helping hand to someone, the same action will surely return to you one day. In short, everything in your life, whether home, career, or partner, is a result of your thoughts. The correlation between your thoughts and reality is known as manifestation. Whatever you think or focus about the past or future, that moment creates a vibration within you, and the law of attraction responds to it. If you have been with me till now, I hope you have gained enough knowledge about the law of attraction and how it works. Now, you will be eager to know how to use it to get maximum benefits. Let's move to the last and most exciting part of this video, which is how to use the law of attraction. Firstly, all you need to do is adjust your thoughts if you want to experience positive outcomes in your life. Yes, you can make your desired picture on the blank canvas. It would be best if you nip the negative thoughts from the bud. If negative thoughts have surrounded you, you need to practice. Once you practice your possible methods of manifesting, you will be able to make your life goals come to you. You can put notes reminding you to think positively and imagine that what you want has already happened to you. This is also a psychiatric-approved method to alter the behavior of patients with low self-esteem or confidence. Psychologists counsel patients to start behaving like they are confident and think of themselves as secure and well-groomed people. This psychotherapy gets outstanding results, and you can also achieve whatever you want by thinking the correct thoughts. Secondly, be high vibe and energetic. Do more of what feeds your soul and brings you happiness and joy. Go outside, exercise, and spend quality time with your friends and family. When you enjoy your life, you feel good, and as a result, you become grateful and optimistic. You also begin to vibrate at a higher frequency, which causes you to attract the energy you want. Thirdly, don't merely wait around for your dreams to come true. You may make your dreams materialize by using the law of action. Without action, you cannot bring your dreams to life. You must act and cooperate with the universe to make your objectives a reality. Set new goals when you've achieved your previous ones. Revisit your vision board from 10 years ago and feel good that your dreams have come true. Everything revolves around direction, purpose, and celebration of reaching your goals. For most people, the most challenging aspect of manifesting is developing the belief. To experiment law of attraction, you must remove all doubts and fears and feel that what you've asked and wished for is already yours. Act as if you already have it, and as you pretend, you will begin to believe genuinely. Because like attracts like, you may change your thoughts to attract specific things into your life. Practice feeling exactly how you will feel when your wish is granted. It was all about today's video. I am sure that all your confusion regarding the law of attraction has been solved. Let us know in the comments below how you found today's video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We will come back with something new and more exciting. Till then, goodbye.